Good evening, beloved fellows. Most of you are contacting me and are asking me to start revisions, especially for Mrcs A. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the series of revision, especially for Mrcs, because Mrcs A, part A, as you could see, there are a lot of already existing revisions for part B. So I hope you can see starting. I don't know if you can see this. Mrcs A revision series. So I am going to begin with I'm going to begin with the upper limb, as you could see. If I have to begin with upper limb, so I'm going to begin with the upper limb. So first we are looking at the few bones. What you can do for me while you're listening to this recording, I've got number of structures labeled over here or pointed. You have to name them, what this number 1 is, what this 2 is, 3, 4, and all together up to 11, right? First, name them, identify them, and name them, and then tell me what are the origin and insertions at these places, what attaches here, their origin and insertion, action, and nerve supply. 4 things of each and everything which is attached here, everywhere. Then, after watching this, you would have to tell me also how shoulder girdle is formed. Read through that, write it down. That's how I'm going to prepare, help you prepare for part A, because I'm not going to post MCQs, because that would be a copyright of many MCQs. MCQ sets which has been published. You already know I recommend Mrcs and right, but I'm not going to post that those MCQs. So I'm going to help you prepare like this. So as you could see the heading, this is Netter's anatomy flashcards. Source you can already see, and this is the anterior view. Once you are done with all the things that I've told you to do with the anterior view, now I'm going to show you, this is the posterior view. Here again, there are labels, pointed markings from 1 to 11. Please recognize them, identify them, label them, and also mention what is attached over here. Right in the whenever you'll be listening to this recording, make sure you write it down. So when I'll come across, I'll realize that whoever has answered, have them answered them correctly or not. If not, then I'll give the answer maybe in the next video, but not now. This is the first starting video, so I'm going to see how it helps or how do people learn from it. So I'm going to end with this right now. And after this, yes, first only just read this much, and then I'll tell you what to do in the next revision, in the next recording also. Thank you.